We're going to make some sneaky little burgers. This is bologna. Pull this fried egg over here. There we go. There's the Popper Summer Burger. Hey, here we go, everybody. It's Big Papa. Okay, let's make some burgers. Get some oil off over here. Saffron oil. Some white onion. A little comp steak and brisket on the onion. We got some shredded lettuce. We have some potato buns. We have some nice patties. We have some eggs. We have some American cheese because I'm an American. But the real secret is in this baggie. Some of you are going to say, Papa, you've lost your mind. You've said it before. It's true. We're making some bologna burgers with fried eggs. That's right, bologna. High quality boar's head bologna. Little cheese melter on these. Now it's time for the burgers. Oil it up here. A little extra spray just so I don't miss any part. Big, fat, juicy griddle burger. A little competition brisket and steak. Okay, we got some nice bologna. Got a fresh bottle of Sweet Money Hot. Right. Oh, they're looking really good. Well, one flip. You know, some of you are probably sitting there going, Papa, you're like a robotic surgeon. You're too kind. Check temp here. Got a ways to go. Cover it up. Pretty cool weapon bologna's almost done. Okay, let's check temp here. Getting closer. So what we're going to do here, in a couple of minutes, and I'll flip again, and I'll put the cheese on. 165, just what I wanted. There it goes. Watch how easy it is to clean up when it's hot. Little pro tip today, mayonnaise. couple more minutes. And I'll put the cheese on, then I'll cook the egg. Got nicely mayonnaise. With the sweet money hot too, let's keep that rolling. Oh yeah, look at these. These are beauties. Beauties. Okay, let's go inside and build these up. We're going to take some of Little Louie's Thousand Island. I say some because we don't have much. The girls ate it all. We're going to put some lettuce there. I always like to put lettuce on the bottom to serve as a barrier for the juices that are coming out of the meat to keep the bottom bun intact. Some beautiful heirloom tomatoes. Sauteed onions. Here comes a beautiful burger now. This bologna. Press it all down. Pull the fried egg over here. There we go. There's the Popper Summer Burger. No bologna. Ha ha!